Dear students, today we will learn about biodiesel in this video. So, why we want to learn biodiesel? Because we know very well that the sources of energy, the conventional sources of energy, that is coal deposits and crude oil, are going to be exhausted very soon. Therefore, we are working on some other sources from which we can derive energy. Biodiesel is one such source. So let us study the biodiesel, its preparation, its sources, advantages and disadvantages of biodiesel in detail. The biodiesel is obtained by the transesterification reaction of an oil or fat with methanol, and the product obtained resembles the petroleum diesel. Because we obtain this from the bioproducts, therefore we call it biodiesel. The sources from which we can get biodiesel are both of vegetable origin as well as animal origin. The seeds from which we get oil, that is the oil seeds, the mustard oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, palm oil, coconut oil, zetropa seeds, they are all the sources of vegetable origin from which we can derive biodiesel. The animal origin sources are tallow, chicken fat, lard, yellow grease, etc. So when these vegetable or animal origin sources are subjected to transesterification, then the product obtained is called biodiesel along with a very important byproduct, that is the glycerol, which is of high commercial importance. So what is transesterification? Transesterification is the reaction between the triglycerides that are present in the oil or fat with the help of methanol in presence of some catalyst, either acid or base. Now, this reaction between the triglycerides and the methanol in presence of an acid or base catalyst is called transesterification reaction. The products of transesterification are biodiesel and glycerol. We can see here the reaction between the triglycerides and methanol. So this transesterification reaction is very important for the preparation of biodiesel. This is the only method with which we can prepare biodiesel. Here we can see the triglycerides are present in the oil. These are the triglycerides, CH2COR, CHCOR, CH2COR. And this is the methanol, CH3OH. So when we react the triglycerides with the methanol, we get biodiesel and glycerol as the byproduct. The biodiesel has many advantages because it is made from the renewable sources. That is, it is recycling of wastes also. Because we are using the oil seeds which have no commercial value sometimes, like the zetropa seeds or the mahua seeds. And these seeds, from these seeds we can derive the important commercial product like biodiesel. Biodiesel is biodegradable also. Therefore, it is non-toxic and on combustion it produces only carbon dioxide. That is, it leads to complete combustion. It is safe to store and safe to transport. It has a high cetane number than diesel. It has a low ignition point but a high flash point than diesel. It burns more efficiently than the petroleum diesel. As a solvent, it cleans dirt from the engines. The byproduct of transesterification is glycerol, which is a very high commercial product. But the disadvantages of biodiesel are that the biodiesel can harm the rubber hoses in the engines because it acts as a solvent. The distribution of biodiesel and the infrastructure needs to be improved. The yield of the biodiesel is very, very poor. So these are the major disadvantages of biodiesel. Because of the poor yield, the biodiesel becomes an expensive fuel. Applications: we can apply the biodiesel in all the places where we use diesel as the fuel, petroleum diesel as the fuel. It can be used in the domestic as well as in the commercial boilers also. So which alcohol is employed for the transesterification process and why? It is the methanol, CH3OH, methanol, which is employed for the transesterification because methanol is cheap and is readily available. Why transesterification is preferred over esterification? By direct esterification, the alkali may lead to the formation of soap. The soap formation may affect the performance of the engine. Therefore, transesterification is preferred over esterification. In the transesterification, soap formation does not take place. What is the difference between esterification and transesterification? Esterification is the reaction between the carboxylic acid and an alcohol. The carboxylic acid present in the higher fat, that is the higher fatty acids present in the oil or fat. But the transesterification is the reaction between the triglycerides or the ester present in the oil or fat and the alcohol. So transesterification is utilized for the preparation of biodiesel, leading to the formation of biodiesel and glycerol, a very important high commercial value byproduct from which we get glycerine. So remember, biodiesel is eco-friendly also. Therefore, we call it a green fuel. Thank you.